Hello, I'm Peter, and this is First Maths. Today we're solving word problems. The resources you will need. You will need some loop cards, which you will need to find online. You will need to find some word problems. You can find them online, or maybe there are some already in your maths textbooks. Individual number lines are optional and 100 grids are optional. Mental learning objective. I can complete mental addition and mental subtraction problems. Here is the mental learning task. Play a game of I have, who has. It is the loop game which we just mentioned. The first person reads their card. The words indicate the next card to be read. How fast can you play this game as a class? I can complete mental addition and mental subtraction problems. The main learning objective. I can pay attention to how an answer should be answered. I can separate out the calculation from the answer to the word problem. I can sort out how to answer a question from the actual solution to a question. Main learning task. Today we are looking at how to answer word questions. When we solve a word problem, we have to do two things. We have to choose and do the calculations. We then use the result of our sum to answer the problem. Sit in pairs. I have a problem for you to solve. Let's read it first as a class. Question. Sam and Kim are twins. On their birthday, Sam got £22 and Kim got £27. How much money did they get all together? Pause the video and see if you can work it out. Discuss with your partner. How will you solve it? What information is not important? Pause the video and cross out the bits which are not important. We don't need to know they are twins. What calculation do we need to use? Pause the video and have a think. Tell your partner. As it says all together, we know it is an adding problem. We have now done the calculation, but we haven't got the answer to a question. What was the question? So what's the answer? £49. They had £49 altogether. Here is another question. Can we try and solve this one? Pause the video and see if you can solve it. Here is another question. Pause the video and see if you can solve it. Joe is 8 years old. He has a sunflower, 103 centimeters tall. His David is only 4. David's sunflower is 98 centimeters tall. How much much shorter is David's sunflower than Joe's? What calculation do we need? Pause the video and solve it. What is the answer? Pause the video and check to see if you have the same answer as other people. Here is another set of questions. Anne weighs 22 kilograms. Anne's brother is called Harry. Harry weighs 17 kilograms. How much more does Anne weigh than Harry? What is the calculation and what is the answer to the problem? Solve the question and pause the video. What calculation did you use? Pause the video. What was the answer? Pause the video. Complete the word problems worksheets. Simplification, if you want something a bit easier. Encourage them to discuss the problems with their partner. Act out or draw the situations described. Provide number lines, 100 grids or other apparatus to help children with the calculations. Challenge to make it harder. Write your own word problems for your friends to solve. The main learning objective. I can pay attention to how an answer should be answered. I can separate out the calculation from the answer to the word problem. Here is the plenary. What did we learn today? Go over some of the problems. Has one of the high attainers written one of their own for the class to solve? Has anyone written a question? What is the solution? Some homework. Make up some problems like you had today to try on your maths partners in another maths lesson. Review of a key idea. I can sort out how to answer a question from the actual solution to the question. Did you learn how to do this today? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to know when I'm uploading my next video. If you liked this video, please like.